In this video, I'm going to go over the dashboard section of the Monday.com software, which can help you manage projects. And for dashboards, you can do a bunch of different stuff to show you where you're on track with your teams or your projects and all that stuff. So inside of here, you have a bunch of gray boxes where you can add widgets. And basically, some of these widgets, they just do different stuff. I already had this widget loaded in here, and I'm going to start fresh. So you can get numbers, you can get bunch of your projects visible all at once. You can get a battery, which is kind of one of my favorites right here. I'm just going to add my accounting and my social media schedule tasks here. Let's say I'm in charge of both of those, and I can see that we are this far done, right? That's cool. That's one of the things I want here. And another thing, right, I'm just going to go look on this. One of the fun things they actually have is just it's called a llama farm, and it just gives you more llamas every time your team completes a task. So you select the boards that you want to reference, and then the status that indicates that you get a llama. So like for instance, the status column on my accounting side will say like done, or on my team tasks if it says done, then that'll get me a llama. And then you can see I get a llama every time something's done. So it's like if I log in to my account and it's full of llamas, then I don't know, it's kind of fun. One thing you do is put in a countdown for a project, right? So let's say we just go and throw in the let's say the end of my week is next Thursday, and then bam, it'll just give me a countdown here. So that can be cool for like a project. I can name that like till weekend, right? Then another widget I can add in here is like time tracking of all my people that I'm managing, or just if I'm not a manager, I can just manage my own time. I can put in a to-do list. I can put in where I was mentioned in what conversations. I can put in a table that will show me all of my project data. And let's see, one of my other favorites is kind of chill. I can add in this YouTube. I can add in a YouTube video, or I can just embed whatever I want. So this one, I'm just going to add in a YouTube video. I'm just going to put this link I already have here. It's just a Tony Robbins video. Let's just say that I just want to get motivated. So I just go and I put this Tony Robbins video in here so that I'll have something on my board to watch every day. I personally would really like if this was kind of random, if it was like a different video, so that way when you do take that one-time wasting break during the day, it would give you something different, but based off of your YouTube account recommended stuff. You can embed a Spotify playlist. When I work, I listen to Spotify, so this would be perfect. It'd be right in there. I could just hit play on that and plug my headphones in and just start chugging away. But anyhow, that's a lot about how the dashboards work inside of Monday.com. And I hope this helps you. There's a lot of different stuff you can do, a lot of things you can do with these widgets, but that's a basic overview of how all that stuff works. And thank you so much for watching. I really hope this helped you, and have a good one.